Then this my sister say, me oh, before shyness go kill me. I said, I don't first see this face just now. Till they sweet you gift. This my sister say, that's all me. No need to tag anybody. See babes where they shy you. See babes where guy no fit use. Once more start, they get done. All those molting things, y'all paraded there, give them small starts. You don't finish, you don't sleep. All these ones. You know they look there. No, they cut whiskey. No, they cut Jack Dennis will come recenter. You go they stay down to sleep. No, they sleep oh, not strong. Hi guys, welcome back to my universe. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May she open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my points of view. If it's your first time of seeing my video, you're very much welcome to my universe. Thanks for stopping by. Please do me a favor before you leave. Kindly subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with you, my brothers and sisters. So my adorable, beautiful, gallant subscribers that keep coming back to check me out, to see what I got to offer. Thank you very much for coming back. Thank you for checking me out. May the good Lord check you out. May the good spirit never be far from you. May your she guide your going out and your coming in, your household. Thanks for your correction, your maturity, your positive energy. Keeps me going. Thank you very much. With that being said, I want us to share with you now the hot ogbonga topic when I come across on social media. This one actually na post now from Bros AY comedian. Now only if they post all this kind of thing, you understand. So today na just fun. Mo no just go too dark today. Mo just like laugh, potpourri, just see how we take day one kind. You understand? I just the work my own they go as usual. The fine news they go on share with you now. Where I feel like throw little opinion put. Mona for still know I they play for my universe. Now I come across this post from Bros AY. One fine babe like that for our wedding day. Yeah, this very babe. Yeah, so she just day like just a done before she go meet people for floor. You understand? And Bros AY, you know now you know they see me intro with face. Now I carry and pluck them. Come put them for a post for a page for Facebook. In can write put. In can say, tag your female friend that can do this. You understand? I could say, which of my female friend go fit do this one? I don't even need to look far. I need to check myself. I need to check myself whether me go fit do one. You know understand? Cause okay, make I look for trouble. I come meet my husband. Cause on the alpha, you know anybody where we go fit do this kind of thing more tag. He said no, he said no. He said the only person where you know 9 day with for years. I said, what do you mean? Jesus. That's okay. I'll carry and come across to see whether people they will still like be like me on my wedding day forget before I enter. Before I enter Komu, I share my eye. Now me want to look all of una face like say una bitimaya. I need to your day wear so that I'll see where I want to put my heel. So I don't bother to tag anybody. My husband already tagged me. Now I can say okay, I can see who I still tag with this post. Very funny. Don't forget to drop on below if you still be like me or you still be like this fine babe we just say tomorrow not day. Let me know. And bros, if you know say man you still marry this kind babe, drop am for comment section, or the babe you want marry na so you still be like us. I go love to see am for the comment section. And not be only me I just say now let me still be like this babe. Come see comment now, you go fear now when some guys they confirm and say me my babe now so you go just do am. Some babe say just forget now so me go just dey, so no need to look for friend though they want tag now, they just be the babe. So we'll read the comment together so that I know what some babe talk for here say man they will still do. Not forget to drop am below. I want to see whether you know the shimmy shy type, whether you know the type where they drink malts, whether you know the type where they drink whiskey. We need to know now. It's on 2021. Oh no, ourselves more day free. If now you and your husband when you're still like shy, you want we'll still see for the comment section. We dey very interested. So let's go there. Wanna hear what people got to talk for this matter. This my beautiful sister say, me I need to hire so that dance go so that the dance go be mad take come my sister. 5 bank for only you. Then this my beautiful sister talk say, I can do this on my wedding night. I go hire not be small because I get work to do. But sometimes after the tiring things you know we even remember you will tire now the next morning and you will know say hey I really married yesterday. Then this my beloved sister say me that's no need to tag person, I just she I can be crazy sometimes. Una do well for representing. No time to check time. Now one day don't they do this marriage again? Now just one day. Now your day. That is do as you like. Anyone where you can't do again now anniversary. So that very day and one day in time rock like no man's business. If you like put cancan for inside your handbag. That small purse, you put cancan inside. Then this my bro say, I know my girl. Oh bro, you there with the real babe. If your babe fit do this kind of thing, cut on for you you would day. He said, I know my babe can do this on our day because she love best cream pieces. Oh Jesus Christ. Yeah. He dey do me wanna. Then this my brother say, I don't have such lady and I have never met such before. Now mutton things you dey meet, bro. The day where that mutton go vex, you go to look for the one where they drink maranga. Pray may you meet so that may you know the difference. And only malt you want a day. We still they drink malt. But you see when you they drink malt, sometimes you they drink cancan, sometimes you they drink maranga, you go rhyme. Go look for bro. These are people who call the talk say yes, you are correct guy. Bro, don't know express where they leave you. Then this my beloved sister say, sometimes I wonder how people can be this truthful. No time all you want life for. If you lie, what you gain? If you talk true, you will gain well. If you lie, you don't go gain. If you all talk true, people will love you for who you be. Now the truth. You're welcome to the truthing floor. Then this my beloved sister Jennifer say, I represent my humble self. My sister, you really humble. See your picture. See how you're humble. She say, I represent my humble self. That day is onto Shayo level. Okay now. Iye omodo. I will just be on the highest level to church. Pastor will fear when he see bride. When you say Allah she don't different. No be I go tell you say you may kiss your bride. Man, I love my women. Then this my sister say, I can do this to stop me from feeling shy and nervous. You can be nervous, you can be really nervous that day when all eyes dey on you. And you be talk of the city. Oh, my sister, you are damn right. Then this my beautiful sister say, I did this on my wedding morning. Nothing do you. Then this my beautiful sister say, so if the priest say you may kiss your bride, my bobo will not kiss me, then the whole world will know say I dey kiss or I sabi kiss. Omo, I need high so I no go see anybody that day. Now woman you be. Can't wait to see my boyfriend on Valentine's Day. Which one be your own now? Who they talk about Valentine yet? I bet shift, sister, big brother. Shift. You are looking for trouble. Tag who and get ready for war. Nah, bros, why matter be that one? Now so yours a cast area. If you don't cast area finish, you will go stay with the beautiful wife and the beautiful daughter. They act drama, they act TikTok. I don't want anybody to go and swear for me. When I mention their name, wahala no dey finish, especially guests own. Let me come and be going. Bros, see how I tell look you. Must you tag person? You not get girlfriend? You not go marry? You want to turn a where they look for trouble up and down. I bet bros day or pack shift. This my beautiful sister say, Lo, I am tagging myself. My husband tagged me. I can't even walk past any group without my phone. Okay, oh. Okay. This my brother say, all the I do is under influence, Abi. Okay now. Bro, not be me, are you fair there? I never tell you say I do. What's that? Not be you. I just talk your baby. Now come the cause casino, yeah. What's that? Which one be a call? Now you carry me reach the church. Now you show me my husband who I stand with. What's that now? Not call the cause confusion, yeah. Some people like kasala. Don't be surprised. Our best friend snapped these shots and send it out. Oh Jesus, why people like chaos like this? Why people like chaos? What if now the husband snap her out? Una know they think that one. Why must una think of bad? Why? If not the friend even snap him out, it not look funny. Must we cause chaos everywhere? With all due respect, now only man, now only man fit talk like this. Maybe people call the verse now. Maybe people call the time say yes, sir, he's a bad friend. She's a good friend. If not friend one, she's a good friend because that day not get part two. In fact, who get my own poster? Who get my own poster? All my eye, so it can be. This my sister say me, the shyness not be here, so I get to shine my eye. They don't know say heel where you wear, they get I take a step. Our community they look you. This one say me. I bet my women una today. That bros they say you don't know any babe where they drink like this. Don't they drink more again for 21st century? Don't they drink more? Your babe boy they feel say they drink more. Feel rich where babes they. If never take time. She bully. You say you don't know. How you know? You update there. 2021. Never see anything. Better go. I got to go there. No one supposed to talk. This my beloved sister say me. I can only do that on my wedding night because I have enough work to do. See most people now. She just confirm as an only. Now only that wedding day now she will drink. That's to say she never drink before. She don't dey test am for back. The girl no go know say she don't fit the drink. Oh, you go surprise her on wedding day. She down full bottle of whiskey. The guy was surprised. Oh Jesus! This my beautiful sister say me oh take come. So so I wouldn't be shy when the pastor says you may kiss your bride in front of many faces. They don't understand. They don't understand. Those people who they drink months, they don't understand. Then this my sister say me and my sister time no day partner in crime. I love that your sister, but don't carry and follow body goes man. So I don't talk say will do. I just they say after you don't share your finish, mole you want day your day, do your do. With all due respect, I play a day. Then this my sister say me oh before shyness go kill me. Let's I don't first see this face just now. Think they sweet you gift. This my sister say that's all me. No need to tag anybody. See babes where they shy you. See babes where guy no fit use. Once more start they get done. All those molting things, y'all perere there, give them small starts. You don't finish, you don't sleep. All these ones. You know they look there. No, they cut whiskey. No, they cut Jack Dennis will come recenter. You go they say they also sleep. No, they sleep all not strong. This my brother say, what exactly did she do that is causing this attention? Babe pick a sip because she didn't have enough during the Feed Your Spice session, and the cameraman, instead of snapping who is hiding meats, come the busy body for year. Bros, people like una talk story for reader. Una you see picture. Una you see picture, no sabi read though. But una you narrate the whole story from Genesis. You don't talk everything. You don't see her. Only picture where you see bro say just drink. You don't see us in a cameraman. Bro steak you deserve one. No. This my beautiful sister Glory say, I don't need to tag anyone. Me, myself, and I can do this. Only she not three. It don't see matter when you come to I call matter. One person will turn three. She said, I don't need to tag anyone. Me, myself, and I. Some people funny, sha. When you reach kind matter, you can't know say some women are three. This one say, Jesus. This my beloved sister say, this is no other person but everything about me. You are darling. Then this my beloved sister say, Amabe Fatakwe novice. Where you dey? You are more than capable of this. She even tagged the Amabe. The girl boss laugh. Okay. Then this my brother say, though I am on free mode, but with these comments I understand perfectly what the post is saying. They can't block our SIM card because of ordinary NIN. Let them try us first. Which junction this man they go now? Which SIM card? They cannot feel your shots, no be lie. So now so the comments reach my adorable brothers and sisters. If you get babe wey be like us wey admit our own so, let me know from the comment section. If you know say you be that kind babe on your wedding day, you go just dey like you don't want to see Uche face, you don't want to see father face. Drop am for the comment section. Make I for fit identify you as a free spirit person. You don't understand? With all due respect. So this one on the hot report, the hot topic when I get. Why I say I quickly can share with you now. I hope you understand. I hope you see reasons for me. I hope you not take this one personal. This one are just fun with Sophie in a way. Not take am personal. Not be everything that they take personal. Not be every time person they bring sad news. At least sometimes you just still good. More you still laugh away our sorrows. With all due respect. Till I come your way next time. This Sophie Universe, the massive truths. Please, if you've not subscribed, what are you still waiting for now? Subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my adorable brothers and sisters. And I pray the good spirit guide each and every one of us. Protect our going out and our coming in. Give us reason to love, tolerate, and forgive each other. Give us more reason to do away with hate, revenge, and every other bad stuff. So I come your way next time. Please don't forget to share my videos. Don't forget to patronize me. And don't also forget to give my video thumbs up. Love you in the name of love. Love you in the name of whatever you believe. Till the next video. One love.